Brunette Wig Place. I'm Lisa. I'm so glad you're here today. Today I am wearing a new style from the Estetica Designs Statement 2019 collection. This is Sutton, and the color on her is R812. So R812 is a new brunette for me to bring to my channel, so I'm super excited to show it to you today. So she is just a really cool, edgy, blunt cut, long bob or lob. Really, really cute style. I'll go ahead and do a turn so you can see her all the way around. Cool, edgy design. Love the ends. The ends are super cool. Just blunt and modern and cool and edgy. Those are just the best words I could think for. So she is just really a pretty style. As you can see, straight as a board. You will notice when you receive her that her packaging is very different from packaging that you've seen before. So the wig itself is on this cardboard, paper covered piece of cardboard here, tissue paper covered cardboard. Let's say that all fast in one sentence. And then there is the wig is on top of this, and then there's a hairnet, and then there was actually a like hose nylon wig cap over that, and that is to preserve the fibers and keep them nice and straight. And the box itself is longer than other wig boxes that you have probably seen. This is actually the box for Ellis, and you can see Ellis's box is long too, but Sutton's is extra long. So really cute style. They packaged it, it's different, but it's packaged correctly for the style because it keeps it straight. Your wig isn't going to arrive with, bends and stuff like that in the fibers. They really wanted to preserve keeping these fibers nice and straight, and I think they did an excellent job with that packaging. So, but it's a bit unusual, so I wanted to mention it. So let's talk about this color. This color is R812, which is just a simple golden brown, light brown blend. Really pretty color. I've been wanting to try this. So I was excited that they brought it back on this Sutton style. Really pretty brunette. I love the R610 too, but this one is just a hint lighter up. When you go from the R610, you get your 8 and your 12 involved, and you lighten it up, and you put a little more gold in there. So really pretty color. Just happy with the color, and I will take her outside in just a moment and show her to you outside. So her cap construction is, she is a lace front and she is a full mono top. So I'll show you the lace front. Really well done. Even though this is a brunette, I think the knots are nice. Not too noticeable, and they're pretty tiny, so I'm happy with that. And then you get the appearance of scalp there on your part. And since she is a full mono top, you can take that comb and you can part her wherever you want. Part her in the middle if you want. Now you would probably, she came with the left side part, so you would probably, if you wanted to change the part, need to get it a little damp, let it dry overnight, to get it exactly where you want it to be. And then of course you can also part it from the right. If you're a right side parter, you can go more from the right. So, or you can do just off the middle, going either direction. So, but she came like this, and I have gotten super used to a left side mono part. So I'm gonna put her back in that position for the purpose of the review. So let me pop her off and we can look at the inside of her cap. So like I said, really nice lace front there and mono top. Really nice. Very pretty. Flip her inside out here. So she has that full mono top with that temple to temple lace front, nice generous mono top. She has just soft covered ear tabs, and they do a good job with the metal in their ear tabs. Very pleased with that. She has these little hook and loop closures, as you can see, for her adjusters. She has an extended nape, but it's an open extended nape, and then open wefting all through that cap. So really nice. I love their caps. I actually have Ellis also, and I didn't have to adjust Ellis very much, but I had to do more adjustment on Sutton. So the thing that's great about Estetica caps, get her combed out here, is that they are great for accommodating larger head size. Oops. And so I really like that because I can adjust them for my circumference at 21 inches, but I can show her to you, and I feel comfortable that if you have a larger head going up to 23 or something, you're gonna have enough room in there. But yet the cap is comfortable on my head. So I just love the way they do their caps. Their caps have a generous amount of stretch in them so that there's enough elastic in there for my small head, but it'll expand if you have a larger head, which is really, really great. So these layers are just, this cut is so cool and so edgy. I just love it. I just think it's super cool. So her measurements are, this bang in the front is 13 inches. You know, you can see she's about, you know, she's got that 13-inch layer all the way around. And then her sides over here are 9.5. So we've got, it's hard to find, but there is a shorter layer in there. And then from the crown, she is 14 inches. And then the nape measurement back here is 7.75 inches. She has a weight of 4.4 ounces. So she's a good weight, not too heavy. The fibers are just gorgeous. I mean, they look like, you know, this is that look you're trying to achieve with your flat iron, that perfectly straight hair. But the great thing about this is that this is synthetic. And so if you live in a place like I do, where you flat iron that hair out and then you walk out in that humidity and boom, your hair is wavy and weird again, that's not gonna happen. You got synthetic hair. It's gonna keep this straight, blunt lob, which is such a cool cut. So, really, really cute. Let's take her outside and we'll look at the R812 outside in the natural light. Okay, so here we are outside in the natural light. I'm under my patio cover right now, but just to show you this R812 golden medium brown and light brown blend. Really, really pretty color. I love this brunette. It's gonna be one of my new favorites. Really, really pretty. And then I'll walk out here more in the sun. It's kind of cloudy right now, but you know, you can see the light reflecting off of it. You can see those golds in there a little bit, you know, not a highlight, but just that kind of reflection of the gold brown. Really, really pretty color. Another thing I love about this, I'm gonna go under the patio cover because I'm so sensitive to the light, my eyes are, but you can put your sunglasses up on your head with this one, which I really like. Okay, now the sun's popped out. Let's look at her in the sun real quick. Oh yeah, really pretty. Beautiful color, beautiful fiber. Okay, so as you can see, that brunette is really pretty out there in the natural light, in the sunshine. You can see that reflection of the gold out there, but it is, like I said, pretty much just it is a blended color. It's not like a high, as opposed to a highlighted color. So as far as styling, you know, obviously you have the length, and you have this gorgeous hair. There's a lot of things you could do. You know, she's obviously, you could braid her, you could do some things like that. As far as what I have done with her so far is she's really pretty and she looks really chic to just pull her back, you know, in a claw clip. Now when you pull her back, you've got a pretty thick, you know, bunch of hair back there. So I'd recommend probably a claw clip over, I was kind of struggling to get my barrette back there. It was just a little bit hard to get it in there, but she looks really cute like that, pulled back in a claw clip. And that just kind of, if you want to get her out of your face a little bit or just do something different with her. And then she's also, of course, you've got a full mono top, so you're going to have, you know, the appearance of scalp anywhere you pull her back on the top. So, you know, you can pull her back in a little claw clip, you know, just pull some back, put a pretty clip in there, whatever you want to do. And then she is also really pretty. I got one here in the face. Really pretty to pull back into a low ponytail. I don't think she is a good high ponytail wig because of the way she's cut, but she does look really good in a low ponytail. So just, you know, if you want to, if it's warm out or whatever, you just want to do something different with her, or you just want to get her up off your neck. She has an extended nape, so she's great for a low pony. And then she is also not too much hair to tuck behind the ears, which is always important to me because I am just an ear tucker. And like I showed you outside, you can put your glasses up on her, which is really nice. So, but you can get her tucked behind the ear, and she looks really good like that too, really cute. Now I will cover her ear tabs since I've got them tucked behind there. She has nice ear tabs, good sized piece of metal in there. I've got great coverage, you know. So if you do have hair, I think that you will have good coverage with her, you know, around the face. So really, really cute style. So I purchased this wig at Wig Studio One. I highly recommend them. They have great customer service, and usually as long as your wig is not on back order, they have super, you know, speedy shipping. I'm always very happy with my customer service from Wig Studio One. So I'll put a link down below where you can purchase her. You can find her there on the Wig Studio One website. I thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful.